welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a brand new video. Today I am sharing with you my self-care day routine. The most important relationship is the one you have with yourself. Self-care days give you permission to just pause, which is vital in order for you to recharge your batteries and give the world the best version of you instead of what is left of you. So first things first, I like to get up early, open the blinds, let the sunlight and fresh air into your home, and always make the bed. Then I like to pick out my favourite loungewear before heading into the bathroom for a morning skincare pamper. I'll always give my skin a deep cleanse using my Foreo Sweden Luna 3 and Elemis Gel Cleansing Balm, and on those days where I'm being extra kind to my skin, I'll go in with a face mask. Today I was so excited to try out my brand new Foreo UFO 2 smart mask device that connects via the app on your phone. And as it's bright and early this morning, I have chosen to use the Shimmer Freak Illuminating Eye Mask Treatment, which focuses on brightening the contours of your eyes. The caffeine-infused formula consists of fine, light-reflecting particles which diminish the appearance of dark circles, whilst the cooling sensation, and you'll see here in a moment the blue light technology, it leaves your skin feeling really refreshed and awake and ready to start the day. After patting in any excess product, I also want to give my skin a hit of hydration this morning with a generous layer of moisturiser, finished off with my favourite lip balm. Now time for a hearty, protein-packed breakfast and a refreshing green tea before heading back upstairs to apply a bit of makeup. I always feel better with a fairly light and natural looking makeup, so I will leave all the everyday makeup products that I have been using listed in the description box below. There's nothing quite like the final spritz of a favourite perfume. It's the unseen but unforgettable ultimate accessory. And for spring this year, I have been loving wearing the Jo Malone cologne in Basil and Neroli. With the windows open, the fresh spring sounds and scents in the air, it's now time to head to the kitchen and scent the house with freshly baked banana bread. I loosely followed a couple of recipes that I found online, whilst also adding in some cinnamon and some chocolate chips in there too. Once it's baked and taken out of the oven and left to cool, it's time to get out and breathe in that fresh air. We've been spoilt with the weather lately, and I have not taken it for granted one bit. There's a sense of peace and tranquility that can be found by living in the countryside, now more so than ever. And if you can get out for a walk in the fresh air, I promise you both your body and mind will thank you for it. And if the weather is not on your side, or perhaps you can't get out of the house, there are so many YouTube at-home workout videos that you can follow, and I've been particularly loving doing some yoga. By cleaning or decluttering a space, I feel far more productive and enjoy that chill time all the more so by having that sense of accomplishment. After all, a clean home is a happy home, and when you have a clean space, you have a clear mind. I always finish a quick clean with a couple of capfuls of Zoflora in the sink with hot water, and of course, light my favourite candles. The best part of my self-care day, having gotten some exercise and having a tidy home, is to sit back, relax and enjoy my freshly baked banana bread loaf with a coffee and a book or magazine. Or perhaps you're into a new Netflix series and you want to take this time to binge watch a few episodes. Later in the evening, it's time to run a hot bubble bath, and for me, it's hair wash day too. Sometimes I'll also apply some tan on a self-care day too. Time to get into a fresh pair of pajamas and take half an hour or so to relax with something you enjoy, whether that be an adult colouring book, a jigsaw, or in my case, bullet journaling and my Mrs. Hinch activity journal. Here I was filling out my perfect day, and I realised that most of what I wrote pretty much summed up my self-care day routine. also recently discovered the Calm app, which has guided meditation and breathing exercises. It also has mood trackers and even sleep stories, which you can listen to, especially if you're someone who maybe struggles to fall asleep at night. So there you have it. That sums up my typical self-care day. I really need to do this more often, and I cannot encourage you guys enough to join me and try and incorporate days like this into your routine. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe, and I hope to see you all in my next video. Bye guys.